Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about one more example of the probability theory. So the given example is an experiment consists of rolling a single die. Two events are defined as event capital A is equal a number 6 shows up and event B is defined as a number 2 or a number 5 shows up. And first bit, find the probability of A, probability of B. Second bit, define a third event capital C so that probability of C is equal 1 minus probability of A minus probability of B. So now coming to the solution. So from the given data, when a single die is rolled, there are totally 6 possible outcomes. So therefore, the sample space capital S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the possible outcomes when a single die is rolled. So now here from the given data, there are two events are defined, and event A is defined as a number 6 shows up and event B is defined as number 2 or number 5 shows up. Okay, so we know that from the definition of the probability of any event is equal number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcome of the experiment. Now here the total number of experiments are 6. Okay, and the event A is defined as number 6 shows up. Now here the favorable outcome of out of this sample space, a number 6 shows favorable outcome is 1. So therefore the probability of A is 1 by 6. Favorable outcome of number shows on 6 is 1 and total outcomes are favorable outcome of number shows on 6 is 1 and the total outcomes are 6. So therefore the probability of the event A is 1 by 6. And the determine probability of B. And out of these 6 possible outcomes, a number shows on 2 or number shows on 5. So number shows on 2 is 1 and number shows on 5 is 1. Number shows on 2 is 1, number shows on 5 is 1. So the favorable outcomes are 2. So therefore the probability of B is equal occurrence of number shows on 2 or number shows on 5. So number shows on 2 is 1, number shows on 5 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So the probability of B is equal to 2 divided by 6. Favorable outcome by total outcomes. So which is equal to 1 by 3. So that is the first bit solution. And event C is defined as such that probability of C is equal to 1 minus probability of A minus probability of B. Now here probability of A is 1 by 6, probability of B is 2 by 6. And substitute probability of A and probability of B into in this equation, we get the event probability of C is 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2.